Jobs that AI can't replace. In the rapidly evolving landscape of technology and automation, artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a powerful force that reshapes industries and revolutionizes processes. While AI has undeniably made substantial strides in replicating human-like cognitive functions, there remains a fascinating array of professions that continue to elude its grasp. These roles are characterized by a unique interplay of creativity, emotional intelligence, and intricate decision-making that AI, in its current state, cannot replicate. Psychotherapists and counselors. The realm of psychotherapy and counseling is rooted in the deep complexities of human emotions, experiences, and mental well-being. It involves establishing a profound connection with individuals, discerning nuances beyond verbal communication, and providing personalized guidance. Psychotherapists navigate a vast spectrum of psychological states, tailoring therapeutic approaches to unique individuals. The essence of empathy, the art of listening, and the ability to interpret unspoken emotions are indispensable aspects of this profession that AI struggles to emulate. The depth of human consciousness and the intricacies of human emotions pose a formidable challenge for AI systems, as genuine emotional comprehension remains a distinctively human attribute. Creative writers and poets. The realm of creative writing is an exquisite fusion of language, imagination, and emotion. Whether it's a novel that transports readers to distant realms or a poem that distills profound feelings into succinct verses, the essence of creativity lies at the heart of these endeavors. Creative writers channel their personal experiences, cultural influences, and unique perspectives into their work, crafting pieces that resonate on a profound level. The subtleties of wordplay, metaphor, and symbolism that infuse written works with depth are rooted in the human experience, rendering them elusive for AI to master. The fluidity of human expression, adaptability of language, and the capacity to evoke emotional responses collectively stand as barriers to AI replication. Ethical and moral decision-making. In domains that require intricate ethical and moral decisions, human judgment reigns supreme. Professionals such as judges, social workers, and leaders in various fields navigate complex scenarios where there are no clear-cut answers. These decisions often involve consideration of cultural contexts, historical perspectives, and individual circumstances. The synthesis of information, empathy, and a deep understanding of societal dynamics forms the crux of such decisions. The inherent subjectivity and nuanced evaluation of consequences are areas where AI falls short. The indeterminacy of moral choices and the inherent fluidity of ethical frameworks make it arduous for AI to replicate human ethical discernment. Fine artists and artisans. The world of fine arts is a testament to human creativity, imagination, and self-expression. Painters, sculptors, and artisans of various kinds infuse pieces with a piece of their soul, channeling emotions and perspectives into tangible forms. The unpredictability of the artistic process, the embrace of imperfections, and the ability to redefine beauty defy the algorithmic nature of AI. Each brushstroke, chisel mark, or thread woven bears the mark of the creator's essence, evoking emotions that elude the deterministic capabilities of AI. The allure of art lies in its ability to capture the intangible, the abstract, and the uniquely human experiences. Innovators and visionaries. The realm of innovation thrives on the audacity to envision possibilities beyond existing paradigms. Visionaries are pioneers who redefine industries, introduce groundbreaking technologies, and catalyze societal shifts. Their capacity to identify latent needs, anticipate trends, and synthesize diverse domains is a testament to human ingenuity. While AI can analyze data and offer incremental improvements, it struggles to generate truly revolutionary concepts. The leaps of intuition, the willingness to embrace risk, and the relentless pursuit of transformative change are hallmarks of human innovation that remain elusive to AI systems. Personal care and healthcare professionals. The arena of personal care, especially in healthcare, hinges on the fusion of medical expertise and genuine compassion. Doctors, nurses, and caregivers provide not only medical treatment but also emotional support, alleviating the fears and anxieties of patients. The ability to establish trust, interpret nonverbal cues, and offer reassurance through human touch are integral to the healing process. AI, while enhancing medical diagnosis, lacks the emotional depth and intuitive responses that human caregivers provide. The convergence of medical science with the nuances of human interaction shapes a realm where AI's touch is gentle, but not all-encompassing. Religious and spiritual leaders. The realm of spirituality and religious guidance delves into matters of faith, existential contemplation, and the search for meaning. Religious leaders serve as beacons of guidance, providing solace and direction to individuals traversing their spiritual journeys. Their insights are rooted in centuries-old traditions, ethical considerations, and a deep understanding of human nature. The spiritual realm intertwines with the essence of humanity, grappling with questions that transcend empirical analysis. AI's inherent limitations in comprehending matters of faith and the transcendent render it a distant observer in the realm of spirituality. Historians and cultural custodians. The field of history is an intricate tapestry woven from the threads of time, culture, and human evolution. Historians unravel the stories of civilizations, dissect the significance of events, and offer insights into the intricacies of human progress. The interpretation of historical context requires a nuanced understanding of cultural shifts, sociopolitical dynamics, and the complex motivations that drive human societies. The amalgamation of research, empathy for bygone eras, and the critical capacity to contextualize events make historians indispensable guardians of our collective memory. While AI can analyze data, it lacks the empathetic insight required to truly comprehend the motives and emotions that shaped history. Therapeutic and healing arts. The healing arts, encompassing practices like massage therapy, energy healing, and holistic medicine, delve into the realm of restoring harmony and well-being to the human body and spirit. Practitioners in these fields integrate scientific knowledge with a deep understanding of the subtle energies that govern life. The power of touch, the resonance of energy, and the intuitive navigation of a person's energy field require a level of attunement that transcends AI's analytical prowess. The human connection forged through therapeutic practices embodies an empathy that AI cannot replicate, as it is grounded in the mutual trust between healer and recipient. Community builders and social architects. Community builders, urban planners, and social architects craft the physical and social spaces where human interactions thrive. Their expertise lies in understanding the pulse of communities, identifying needs, and orchestrating harmonious coexistence. These professionals navigate the intricate web of cultural diversity, economic dynamics, and environmental sustainability to create living environments that resonate with the inhabitants. The subjective nature of community preferences, the need for adaptability, and the fusion of creative design with functional utility transcend AI's capacity to comprehend the human essence that defines communal living. The professions outlined above are a testament to the multifaceted nature of humanity. They defy the deterministic and algorithmic capabilities of AI, highlighting the profound intricacies of human creativity, empathy, ethical discernment, and intuitive understanding. While AI continues to revolutionize industries and augment human capabilities, it is the distinct blend of emotional intelligence, nuanced decision-making, and the capacity for genuine connection that firmly positions these professions beyond AI's current reach. As we advance further into the age of automation, these professions stand as a reminder of the irreplaceable essence of the human touch. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.